Hello guys, today we are going to solve problem number 26, remove duplicate from the sorted array. So basically what we have given is an array of nums and we have to remove all the number which are already duplicated. And we have given the array in the sorted form, that is like from ascending, smallest to the largest. So basically starting from what I have done is I have created int I equals to 0 for taking the number, and then I have iterated j, that is one from the number size. It is from the first index, that is one first to the second, that is the last index. And then check if every number is equal to or not equals to 1. If it is not equals to 1, I equals to I plus plus. And if it is equal, and then we will change the nums dot I equals to nums dot j. That is, we are moving it to the next one one after another. So every duplicate number will be moved from starting to the ending, and then we will return the first I plus one number that is not that is non-duplicate. So this is the solution for our question number 26. Remove duplicate from the sorted array. So that's it. So kindly comment, subscribe, and press the notification icon for more updated videos. Thank you.